In a significant move towards sustainable transportation, a recent deal has been inked to establish an electric bus factory in Abu Dhabi. This landmark agreement holds promising implications not only for the emirate, but also for the wider world striving for eco-friendly mobility solutions. Electric buses offer a plethora of environmental benefits compared to their traditional diesel counterparts. By eliminating harmful emissions and reducing reliance on fossil fuels, these vehicles play a crucial role in mitigating air pollution and combating climate change. The establishment of the electric bus factory is expected to stimulate economic growth in Abu Dhabi and contribute to continuous innovations in battery technology, propulsion systems, and energy management. The adoption of electric buses necessitates adequate infrastructure and robust government support, including initiatives aimed at promoting electric vehicles and favorable policies. The establishment of the electric bus factory in Abu Dhabi sets a precedent for other regions grappling with similar environmental and transportation challenges, showcasing the feasibility and benefits of electric buses. Looking ahead, the electric bus factory holds immense potential for expansion and diversification, heralding a new era of clean, efficient, and sustainable transportation.